Hey, I'm Sohail. We are working on a problem statement of an incident which takes place within an infrastructure where engineer waste their several amount of time, plenty amount of time analyzing logs, going through the old tickets as well as going through the memory. And using the most AI existing tools, they can generate an answers for those. By the time the organization will be facing some lot of issues and will be have gotten the answers by then. So we have built an Sentinel which will give an AI persistent incident memory. So what does the AI Sentinel does? Sentinel receives an incident through an API, converts it into an embeddings, and searches the CockroachDB as a database for us, which we have used for similar incidents, and gives that evidence to the Amazon Bedrock to generate an accurate diagnosis and provides recommendations. So let me demonstrate an API for you. So this is an API, so which has been to report an incident. So whenever and this incident has been taken place, so it provides an recommendations to resolve this issue. So this is how it is. And if there is an existing which was been incident that has been taken happens took place earlier, and that will be stored within our database in a cockroach database. And if similar incident have comes to be up in the futures, so we will be getting the similarity and matches the semantics and looks for provides the answers. Right now we are working on our front end, so there are some of the issues that we have been facing up on this. And so what does makes our Sentinel completely different? It's actually the memory layer. So real value isn't just generating the diagnosis, but it's actually the memory that is there behind it. So before generating a response, Sentinel searches the CockroachDB vector store for the similar past incidents. This means if a previous involved database connections, it looks for the entire pool exhaustion of the DB of the cockroach database, and Sentinel will retrieve it. Even the wording is different. Even the wording will be different. It will retrieve that as within the Sentinel it searches using semantic similarity, not exact text match. So diagnosis and resolutions are persisted back into the cockroach DB. So today's resolution will become evidence for the tomorrow's incident. Sentinel is just an uh, built entirely on AWS serverless infrastructures and API gateway for the public endpoint. And I have used the Lambda for the runtime and Bedrock for the AI reasoning and the embeddings, and CockroachDB as a vector memory layer. And I have used a CloudWatch for the monitoring. Sentinel transforms the incident response from the isolated AI interaction into a continuously improvising organization memory systems. So as we have seen in the two incidents that I shown in the Postman, don't have identical wordings, but semantical retrieves the first as a historical evidence becomes cockroach performance semantic vector similarity in the future for the upcoming incident which will take place. So the architecture will look like this, and user questions the questions and it goes into vectorized embedded models, and it will be search similar incidents within the cockroach DB, and we look for the if already existed incident being reported, so it will provide the recommendation based on the action item that have been taken care during that time. So that will be answered up here. So this is actually the actual architecture looks like, how the tools have been used and have been made of use of Bedrock as I mean AWS Bedrock as well as Lambda and CockroachDB have been used. So this is our problem statement. Thank you.